Say hi to the vlog, guys. Hey guys, so I'm currently in Mall of the South. So we are here for the 21 Jump Street thingy. There was a long line. First of all, we were late. Our booking was at 1 a.m. We bought tickets for 1 a.m. But I mean 1 p.m. Sorry guys, 1 p.m. But like African time, one thing led to another. Okay, and you guys know there's like construction at my house, so that also like contributed. And then we were late, but then we were able to move everything, which was really nice. Right now we're just trying to kill time. We're just trying to kill time because yeah, we're just trying to kill time. We have to wait until 2:30. We arrived here at 10 to 2, so we have like 40 minutes to kill. Let me just hear what's happening. David, did you just pay for the ticket? Why?
Okay, I'm going to do my school.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, so I'm gonna come back. You guys will
Sure. So yeah, guys.
But how do you see? Oh, when it's recording, it's
I'm recording.
How's it going?
I know you also want to go in the future now. I think it's like this. Butter ice. Butter cold drink cafe. Got to like the table.
I hope I get that.
Let's bring you. Oh. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I had a really great day. I was really glad that I was able to hold up my end of the deal with my nieces, because I told them that I would take them to Mall of the South. I took them to Mall of the South. Guys, these kids spent so much of my money. Like, yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah. Amu was there. Oh, shout out to Amu, guys, because she was there just keeping me company, helping me out with these kids and, you know, everything else. Shout out to Dawi. Dawi took us there. Shout out to Dawi. Yo, guys, I don't know, but yeah, I don't know what I would do without these two. Like, okay, I would be able to do it, but not as efficiently as I already am doing it. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I don't know when will be the next time I pick up my camera. Hello. You see, I'm vlogging. Yeah. So yeah, guys, yeah, Dawi even dyed her hair. Amu's hair shrunk. Guys, yeah, a lot happened today. I am so tired. I think I'm gonna sleep like KO. Cause wow. Yeah, guys. I don't know when will be the next time I pick up the camera. I think the next time I pick up the camera, I will be showing you guys like my updated bedroom, but I want to make that a separate vlog. You know what? Bye, guys.